Tell your name and tell one thing that you love about Kerala.
One thing.
One thing that you seriously love about Kerala. What is it? I mean, why people should come to Kerala? Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Anuja Joshi and in this video I will take you around Kerala. So this series is based on the hidden gems of Kerala which are only famous among locals, not very famous, but are a treat to your eyes and your soul. So yes, be with me because you're gonna love it. So today we'll be visiting one of the hidden gem of Kerala, that is Kattikayam waterfall. Kattikayam waterfall is situated between two mountains in the Kottayam district and it is considered to be very beautiful. Kattikayam waterfall is located very close to a place called as Illikal Kalu, which is very famous in Kerala, so I will try to explore that too. But since COVID-19 चल रहा है and right now section 144 is being imposed in Kerala, so I am a bit confused whether खुला होगा टूरिस्ट के लिए कि नहीं. So we'll see, we'll find out. So talking about Kattikayam waterfall, this waterfall is at least 40 meter in height and has two drops. This makes it more exhilarating, isn't it? Now you might wonder why to visit this far off waterfall where there are no roads, even the Google map sometimes fails. Well, I'll tell you. Do you know that there are experiments that show that water responds differently to different people? Over 72% of our body is water. And have you ever experienced that the body that we carry is nothing but just an accumulation from this planet Earth, which we will shed eventually? Water has memory and it can choose to respond to you in a negative or positive way. So it is very important to respect and be friends with this fundamental source of life that is within us and around us. Just a thought or an emotion can actually change the molecular formation of the water, and there are experiments that show that. For example, the same river can choose to respond differently to 5 different people. And if you're meditative, the experience rises so high when you're around a water body. Trust me. So we are dealing with a very intelligent liquid, hence it is necessary to deal with it in a proper way, in a right way. I personally love to be around water bodies. It makes me feel uplifted from within, like it uplifts my soul and my spirit. It makes me feel so light and it improves my focus. I am more motivated. I am exuberant from within, joyful, playful. It does wonders to me. After a dip in these highly energized water body, I feel that all of my negativity, my lethargy is just washed off. Seriously.
how to reach Kattikayam waterfall. The access to this waterfall is a bit difficult as the road connectivity to this place is not available. It is situated in Mechal, a diversion of Iratupeta Thodupuda road. So this waterfall is hidden from mainstream. You can always use Google Maps, but sometimes the internet connectivity is insubstantial. The road to the waterfalls is magical and you are accompanied by beautiful clear brooks and streams.
So guys, कट्टिकायम वाटरफॉल के हम लोग एकदम ही पास हैं. पानी की भी आवाज़ आ रही है. एक्चुअली फ़ोन का नेटवर्क चला गया तो गूगल मैप्स नहीं चल रहे हैं. तो अभी मैं पूछती हूँ किसी से कहाँ से जाना है, रास्ता कहाँ से, क्योंकि अभी एकदम ही ऐसे जंगल के बीचों बीच हूँ. द राइड वॉज वेरी वेरी सीनिक. बहुत सुंदर सीनिक राइड थी. ऐसे मोड़ के और मैं बाइक से आई तो अलग ही. थोड़ा सा गर्म रहता है यहाँ पे, धूप तो रहती है क्योंकि केरला है, साउथ इंडिया ऑफ कोर्स. उतना ठंडा नहीं होता, बट अगर आप दिसंबर या जनवरी के टाइम पे यहाँ पर आते हो तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. राइड तो बहुत ही प्यारी थी. लकीली एक चेटा ने हमें रास्ता बता दिया. सो आई एम ऑन माई वे टू कट्टिकायम वाटरफॉल. इट इज़ लाइक गूगल में ऐसा लिखा हुआ था कि 1.5 किलोमीटर कुछ का हाइक है और ऑफ कोर्स सीनिक हाइक है. थोड़ा सा ऐसे ट्रेचरस सा है. सो मैं देखती हूँ और आपको बताती हूँ कि क्या यहाँ पर आप बच्चों के साथ आ सकते हो या फिर अगर किसी के ओल्ड पेरेंट्स हैं उनके साथ आ सकते हो या नहीं. बाकी देखिए पूरा जंगल है. जुकू वैली की तरह यहाँ पे बैम्बू प्लांटेशंस बहुत सारे हैं. अगर आपको नहीं पता जुकू वैली क्या है तो मैं जुकू वैली वाले वीडियो का लिंक आई कार्ड में दे दूँगी. बट यस, जुकू वैली में सारे के सारे बैम्बू प्लांटेशंस थे. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे बैम्बू प्लांटेशन, नॉट ऑल बट या मोस्ट ऑफ इट. देखिए ये बहुत सारे बटरफ्लाइज हैं यहाँ पे और ये पानी है. तो मेनली ये मड पडलिंग करने आए हैं. जितना भी एनरिचमेंट इनको चाहिए होता है सॉइल के थ्रू, इनको सॉल्ट और मिनरल्स मिल जाते हैं. तो यूजुअली कोई भी सॉइल है जो रिच है मिनरल्स और सॉल्ट में और थोड़ा सा डैम्प, तो वहाँ पर ये आके मड पडलिंग करते हैं. प्रिटी साइट इजंट इट? लुक व्हाट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस.
If you are looking for a secluded, non-touristy place with pristine valley, then Kattikayam waterfall in Kottayam is a place to be. But then you see this trash lying here and there, which makes you question the human intellect and the literacy.
हाइक आई मीन इज इट टफ और सिंपल? अभी तक तो काफ़ी सिंपल है. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे सब कुछ ऐसे फिसलने वाला होता है क्योंकि ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट है और पानी होता है तो ऑफ कोर्स लाइफ हर जगह आ जाती है, बहुत रिच है. तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे एल्गी की वजह से फिसलता है. तो यस, संभल के आना, अच्छे शूज़ पहन के आना. बाकी तो बहुत ही है.
I roamed around smelling and touching every blade of grass, soaking in the tranquility of this beautiful valley with clouds dancing around me. The views on the way to the waterfalls are heavenly and the energies are super positive. This place is heaven for trekkers and people seeking adventures.
यहाँ पर अगर आप भूल जाएंगे, like you'll totally forget वागमॉन क्या है, मुन्नार क्या है, because I will show you the hidden gems of Kerala. यकीन नहीं होता? आई एम सो हैप्पी, बताया उसको देख कर ही, जस्ट सी।
There, I also made these young and enthusiastic friends from Kerala who too came to enjoy the waterfalls. And their story was so interesting and amazing that I have to share it with you.
Actually, we came by cycle. We were four, one, two, three, and four. We came by cycle, but the elevation is a bit high. So with cycle we can't come this side. So we keep our cycle a little bit down, up in a house nearby, and we started walking. Then we find these two guys in car, and they helped us. Like, we don't know these guys. They simply give us lift.
For my channel, can you tell them also that you can tell your name and tell one thing that you love about Kerala?
One thing.
One thing that you seriously love about Kerala. What is it? I mean, why people should come to Kerala?
Like, if I say a sentence or something, like it will be a cliche. Actually, everyone says, like, if actually the tagline of Kerala itself is God's own country. Like, everyone uses that, but it's some other vibe. I don't know how to explain it. It's a bit difficult to explain. You must explore that.
That's it. Kerala has a vibe which you cannot ignore. And these hidden jewels are like the real Kerala.
About water, every day how you treat water is really important for your well-being. Water observes our attitude towards it, and being a huge presence on this planet, it matters. Isn't it amazing that just like planet Earth, our body too constitutes of 72% of water? Our idea of life springs from water. All the life-building elements are actively engaged with water to generate life. So the phenomena of water on the planet is indescribably big and very complex. It behaves in so many ways, and accordingly it affects our life. It can make our life or it can break it. So this play of water in our life is big. Conducting water in right manner means largely we handle our physical life very well. Respecting these places and keeping it clean is our first duty. Earth is a heavenly body, and Earth for sure is heaven as compared to other planets because she has water. Meditating next to a water body results in higher possibilities. Even if you sit quietly gazing at the waterfall or the water body, you will go into a meditative state for sure. Both the sun and the moon has vibrational impact and gravitational impact on water of this planet and of our body too. I enjoyed charging myself by soaking in the sunlight in the pool.
Kattikayam waterfall is amazing. यहाँ पे ज़रूर आइए, and the energy in this waterfall is again very rich. Like if you want to rejuvenate yourself from your soul, अंदर से एकदम आपको अच्छा सा feel करना है, rejuvenated feel करना है, energized feel करना है, do come and visit this waterfall. इधर पे आना थोड़ा सा tricky है of course, क्योंकि रास्ता बना नहीं, और जिसको हाइट से डर लगता है उसको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. अदरवाइज ओके वर्थ इट, हाँ यहाँ पे आना वर्थ इट।